Hey, what's up? It's the Nomad Brad. Do you want to know where you can get unlimited email marketing for life? Well, I'm about to show you. It's really awesome, really exciting. So let's check it out. Basically, I was just on the webinar for Builderall. They just did a massive launch this morning, and they talked about their mailing platform, Mailing Boss. Okay, so they are doing one of the craziest deals I've ever seen where they actually are going to give you unlimited email marketing forever for one price. So this is crazy. Um, I know that if you're just starting out in internet marketing, online marketing, or you're trying to grow your business, email marketing is definitely the most effective way to build an income online because you once you get someone's email, you can continually send them emails, and you can sell affiliate products, you can sell your own products, you can just if you have a brick and mortar business or whatever, you can get clients to come back, customers to come back. All of this is done best through email right now, and so this is just an amazing deal. So here's the deal: unlimited email marketing forever. So their platform is called Mailing Boss, and here's some specifics here. So they've got claiming to be not hard to use or complex without paying hundreds of dollars. That's true. So most email marketing platforms, they usually cost at the beginning, they cost about $20 a month. And then as you start to build a bigger and bigger list, if you get like sometimes it's over like 500 or over 1,000 people, then you'll usually get bumped up to paying about $50 a month. Some services start out at $100 a month and go up from there. So definitely the email marketing services can be pretty pricey. So this is pretty exciting for people who are looking for a budget solution. And just another thing here is like, even if you use another platform and you're paying, $20 to $100 a month or more, having another email list, service is never a bad thing. One, for like redundancy, in case you have an issue with one of your services. I know a good friend of mine had his entire list just got shut down. Actually, I've worked for a couple businesses that this happened to as well. It was devastating. One business had, I think we had, a couple 100,000 people, and our entire list just got shut down on Aweber. My friend had it happen on GetResponse. So like, depending on what market industry you're in, it's more or less likely, but it can happen. They can just shut down your account. And if you don't back up all your lists or whatever, all your leads, then you're just down. So if you're consistently sending out emails every day, I remember we were missing out on literally tens of thousands of dollars for days and days. Like, I think it took a couple weeks to get back online because we only had one system. That's actually when this bigger company I used to work for, that's when we learned that we needed to have kind of a backup email system in case something happens to that primary service. We could switch over and we could at least still be making money while we figured out what we needed to do or whatever. So I would say at the very, very least, this is an amazing option for that, to be your backup email system. You pay one time and you get it for life. And here's the most insane part. So I'm saying pay one time, so you might be thinking, oh, is it like $1,000 or something, or several $1,000s? No, it's crazy. It's $50 one time, and you get lifetime access to a full email marketing platform. This is just insane. So yeah, I just think every marketer should at least pick it up. It's a no-brainer, basically. It's like, how is it gonna hurt to have access to another email marketing platform? Let's say if you have another system that you're using, but you want to set up a specific, promotion for a certain event or something, you could just set it up all through this self-contained environment. So let's check out some of the features they have here. Subscriber activity log. Every single activity of your subscribers uses valuable data. Target your campaign. Set up autoresponders. Obviously, we need autoresponders. Smart segments. Good to know. For example, send an email to subscribers who haven't opened previous email campaigns. That's actually really crucial to do good email marketing. Personalized email with subscriber information. Subscription forms, that's pretty standard. Suppression lists, that's good to have for making sure that your lists are compliant. Statistics and reports, I mean, that's should be expected there, but good to know they have. Custom fields, yeah, I don't know. Not really sure about that. Smart behaviors. Okay. Find out when someone subscribes or unsubscribes from your list. I would probably not do that. That would be very annoying. But it could be really exciting if you're just starting out. But anyways, okay, so split testing, that's good. Email templates, that's good. Email wizard, that's good. I mean, all this stuff is like pretty Google Analytics, campaign performance comparison. So you can do a lot of split testing and optimization and image embedded email delivery. This is all good stuff for an email provider to have. So it's actually a real email service provider. It's not, just some weird janky thing thrown together. So yeah, you get Mailing Boss for life, no subscriptions, no strings attached. All of this stuff that you see here, Mailing Boss account, private Facebook group, unlimited subscribers, unlimited sending, no SMTP required, full features, video training, email template builder, and advanced campaign statistics. So you get all that stuff for $50 for life. It's pretty awesome. If you want to check it out, then I have a link below. That's my affiliate link. I'll make a commission, and it'll be really awesome. But also, if you sign up through my link below this video, then actually I'm going to automatically go ahead and send you a email marketing course. It's actually an interview that I did with a friend of mine who is a very, very successful email marketer. We just talked about all of his best tips and strategies that he's learned over the years of writing for some of the biggest companies out there in marketing. And so you'll get that totally free if you sign up through the link below this video for Mailing Boss and get your unlimited email marketing forever. And then if you sign up too, I just learned about this, they actually will talk to you about Builderall Business, which I think is the most exciting and awesome business opportunity this year. So if you're interested in that, check that out too. If you sign up, it'll be through my affiliate link, and I'll send you even more insane bonuses on how to build your business online with Builderall using free traffic methods, paid traffic methods. So anyways, that's an option, but I definitely think every marketer should at least pick up this Mailing Boss to add to your toolkit. If not, just, go for it. If you don't have an email service provider, then you should definitely check this out. This is a great way to get started, so you can focus on other parts of your business. You can focus on getting leads and clients and all that stuff, and you can know that you have a system set up, but it's not bleeding you dry every month by, pulling 20 to 100 to thousands of dollars out of your account. If you're a small business, local business, this is an amazing way to get started with email marketing. So check it out, pick it up from the link below, and hit the subscribe button and like button if you want more awesome recommendations and marketing training. Thanks a lot.